Meaning of indefinite.
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 Indefinite. The term indefinite refers to something that is not clearly defined or specified, or lacks a specific duration or ending. It can also indicate something that is vague or ambiguous, or that cannot be determined with certainty. This can apply to a wide range of situations, from unclear descriptions or instructions to imprecise measurements or uncertain outcomes. The concept of indefiniteness can create confusion or uncertainty, but can also offer flexibility and adaptability in certain contexts where precise definitions or limits are not necessary or practical. Overall, the term suggests a lack of clear boundaries or definitiveness.